First, the top news headlines. Village chief body calls indefinite chakaband in Chandal district over authorities' alleged failure to nab culprits in ex-village chief murder case. Floods displays over 4 lakhs in Assam, 13,267.74 hectares of crop area devastated. And sand-laden truck falls through collapsed bridge at Sabombung, Imphal East, no casualties. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Lamkang Chiefs Association LCA has announced for an indefinite chakaban in Chandal district, which includes Imphal More Road, beginning midnight of July 14 to register a protest against the failure of the authorities to nab the culprits involved in the killing of the Thamnok, former chief of Chalong village. A statement released by the association today also said that it extends fullest cooperation to all government, missionaries and all social organizations with the hope and pray that justice will be delivered as per the demands based on facts provided concerning the matter of demolition of tomb and concealing of lifeless body of the Thamnok, former chief of Chalong village. It also informed that educational institutes, medical-related activities, PHED, water supply, PWD and pre-engagements shall be exempted from the purview of the strike. The flood situation in Assam has deteriorated as it spreads to 17 districts affecting 4.23 lakh people, with many rivers flowing above the danger level in various places. The deluge, which had affected 2.5 lakh people in 11 districts on Wednesday, spread to 6 more districts yesterday, affecting 4.23 lakh people. As many as 749 villages in 41 revenue circles are underwater and 1,843 people have taken shelter in the 53 relief camps and relief distribution centers set up by district administrations. Flood waters also entered the Kaziranga National Park in Upper Assam, forcing the animals to take shelter on the platforms constructed for them to be safe during deluge, according to sources. Around 2,000 people are placed in relief camps and 700 people were rescued on July 11. A total of 13,267.74 hectares of crop area was devastated due to the floods. Meanwhile, incessant rain from last 4 days has adversely affected normal life in the Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. Roads are being blocked by falling of trees, landslide in the mountainside, flood in all the rivers, while water supply and electricity have also been snapped. In Tripura too, all the low-lying areas of Agartala have been partially and fully submerged, with rainwater and traffic movements hit roadblocks during past few hours since July 10. Monsoon rain hit Tripura with moderate winds and incessant rain, but the incessant rain across Agartala severely affected the normal life majorly since this afternoon. The worst is massive traffic jams blocked every corner of Agartala city due to submerge of road with rainwater. Pathetic conditions of sewerage system of Agartala and for special negligence of traffic police and their mismanagement. A sand-laden truck fell through a belly bridge which collapsed when the vehicle tried to pass on it around this morning. The incident occurred at Phaknung within Sawombung of Imphal East around 7:30 a.m. There were no casualties. The bridge over Itham River at ITI Phaknung connects Sawombung Kabui Khunjau village. The driver and handyman had a narrow escape in the mishap. It may be mentioned that the belly bridge was constructed in 1994. Talking to Tom TV, W. Hemjao of Sawombung Thongkhong Lekai, who was at the spot when the incident took place, said the truck was passing the bridge when the bridge started to cap in the middle, resulting in the vehicle to fall into the river.
adu moi gari ji ngangaga thawra lapani adu yoramdai gari ji lanthoga moji mathunna thongji talaga maningji na yeshalaga yunga ta driver je ngaktang khara ngawai ma adu aso apandi thoidobo yaude.
Locals of Phaknung and Sawambung expressed displeasure, saying the bridge was constructed without proper support and foundation.
Haiba thongachi sariba mongachi akhoi sigi kanochi moina tormachi khilaga thambambani machi phana maki lok amta yawamde aduna phul ani muki changda sumna kana phul ani muk changda thambame sumna kana phul hum mari ki changda thambamaga khilaga thambamba thongche machi sahi khara mamangda sarambani adubu ngasi khudong thiba ma tata ma tasambadagi khudong thiba nangbadagi khoji lambi ji phauna dare lambi amta phauna dabadagi hosi parjagi awaba mayuk nabagi phibam hoji phibam de laire mai le na ba khoji government na authority na mayeng athu matam changbiu haina khoji public ki makai dagi khoji khanganjari.
The bridge has been only connected or built only by 2 frames on the upper side and in the downside, which has a very weak strength to resist the heavy vehicles when passing through. And the incident today that happens is because the truck is carrying the sands, and when it's passing through, the weight of the truck, the bridge cannot sustain the weight of the truck that is carrying the heavy load. With camera person Gobin, this is Blessing Gang by Photom TV News, Itam Turel Phaknung.
As a part of the continuous drive by Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation Committee WBCC Manipur to save wildlife, a number of nets used to trap birds were recovered from Khangabok, Sangayumpham, Cherapur and Tenthakuna villages in Thobal district. Acting on a tip-off, the committee seized 4 nets, 8 live birds and 50 lifeless birds, said a statement released by WBCC Manipur. The committee expressed anger over the incident. The statement thanked the team of Assistant Sub-Inspector Abdul Basir of Moirangpally Police Outpost and Sub-Inspector Siam of Tentha Police Outpost for their help by arriving at the spots on time.
Outpost amadi khoi Tentha Pano outpost ani gi khoi charging obiraga khoi drive chatha matamda khoi newsing odilon sien che adu mamang da report sing makhoi na pharam basing si sidana tana khoi pharaga mokona puhiba aduga khoi phagare belanging sarphoi mating isu khoi support obirapa WBCC ni kedegi hanna khoi sarphoi puthara khoi.
The Kendra Day scheduled to be held on July 13, being Saturday of the month, stands cancelled due to the heavy official engagement of Chief Minister of Manipur. The next Kendra Day will be notified later on, a statement from the Chief Minister's Secretariat informed today. Well, it's time now for a short break, but coming up, orientation program on awareness on disabilities held. More after the break.
Jerusalem Clinic and Diagnostic Center, Lamka, Churachandpur. #1 digital X-ray in Churachandpur. All laboratory and diagnostic tests available. Opposite Churachandpur District Hospital.
Gitam University, Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to 4th year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat 15 khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back after the break. A one-day orientation program of awareness on disabilities was organized by National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disability, Divyangjan IPD, Secunderabad, in association with State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Manipur and Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons, Manipur, at the Bairodan Maxwell Primary and High School, Imphal today. The event was held to impart knowledge on identifying intellectual disabilities from early age. A seminar was also held where experts delivered lectures to young students who attended the program.
If these children with disabilities are early identified and we start off training programs at the early stages, and they can be put in the mainstream along with other children where they have the equal opportunities in studying along with other children. So that is our main aim in bringing the children to the mainstream, by identifying the children at early stages of their disabilities and helping them out, especially in the intellectual disabilities.
The residents of Thanga have urged for proper functioning of a river lift irrigation (RLI) system at Takmupat, Kaibulamzao under Thanga constituency of Bishnupur district to ease the woes of the farmers at this time of scanty rainfall. K.A. Sanatomba, advisor of Sangai Educational and Development Social Organization Kaibulamzao, said that farmers have not been benefited of the RLI since it was inaugurated. Takmupat is covered with Pumde's floating biomass and hence the canal remains blocked, he added. Sanatomba urged the concerned government department to restore the RLI scheme and make it operational at the earliest. It may be mentioned that the river lift irrigation was inaugurated by then Chief Engineer of Minor Irrigation L. Gaurakishore along with former MLA of the constituency and PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu on 2nd January 2017.
ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯐꯪꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ MLAꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯀꯪꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯕ ꯂꯧ ꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯀꯣꯛꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯞ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯟꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯧ ꯎꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯑꯁꯣꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ Sarkarda amadi media ki thongda aina hanna.
Residents of Singzamai Mayengbam Leka in Imphal West today staged a sit-in demonstration raising a demand that the concerned minister resign over the alleged unscrupulous incident wherein rice quota provided under National Food Security Act NFSA has been misappropriated. Socialist Women Association SWA organized the protest. Association members and local women folk participated in the demonstration. SWA General Secretary expressed deep concern about the current steep price of rice in the state and urged upon the state government to initiate investigation into the rice misappropriation incident.
Miyang gidamagtena chongthokpiraba sarkar paibiriba miyoi khudingmangna miyang changbiduna asugumba adukimati khenana leiriba price ase karama mawongda tawrakanda miyam chingi mating pangbang ngamgadagi haibado adu phangjanabagi damata ngasigi wakan mifam ase phamjabani aduga iroinana ngasigi asigumlaba mifam ase ani suba nupi langi cheng tangbi thokibado aduga chap manana ahum suba nupi langi baton tawba amani haibasu leibak miyam nasu Pam pubiri ba isinanaw khudimang nasu kanbiba darkar oy haibase mafam asida panjaningi aduga iroinana hojik sinmisingna thengnariba asigumba chakthungje matam chana phanganbiu market ta leriba value nemlanbiu hairibasigi pandamda ngasigi asigumba isam chamna phamjariba wakam mifam ase matang sidul channel.
Managing Director of Salai Holdings Private Limited and Samarjit today extended help to 24-year-old Pukrambam Deepu of Khundrapam constituency who was forced to shut down his fish shop at Pangai Bazaar facing financial difficulty. The assistance came after a local social worker T.H. Muhindra brought up to the matter with N. Samarjit who generously donated a Tata H vehicle and some cash to him today.
Prajajingi damta yenga lairo prajajingi damta yenga ma ahongo mamnasu ma nga si thado kanena khanjari masigi damta Salai Holding Private Limited ki khoi managing director aduga CWC ki president oibirba Dr. N. Samarjipu ngkhoi lektana thagat phonglokchari.
Talking to reporters, Pukrambam Deepu expressed happiness over the noble gesture of Salai Holdings Private Limited. The Nungthel Laima Mairapai Loop and Red Hill Club Maibam Chingning have jointly organized a painting competition in connection with World Population Day at Maibam Chingning Makha Community Hall yesterday. The program was conducted to spread awareness to the young generation to raise the growing population issue, the advantages and disadvantages of it. Upapradhan of Irengbam Gram Panchayat, social workers N. Kunjamani and M. Borajao attended the program. The federal government of Nagaland, FG and Jeliangrong region has terminated 4 of their cadres from the service with effect from 8 July last for their misconduct involvement collection of money from the FCS department at Imphal, Manipur without their regional government authorization, a press release said. It said that the terminated cadres were Ino Dinpatre Joshua Remai, Ino Jenchui Malangmai of Namdailong village, Ino Golunglong Panmai of Namdailong village and Ino Gaizang Paukamai. We are heading to another quick break, but do stay tuned for Times of Manipur for more updates.
Nationwide #1 oirakliba UNI Consultancy Private Limited na lowest package ta security amadi local guarantor piduna India ge khanaba state singda NRI quota da MBBS tamnaba amadi foreign countries singda MBBS tamnaba gi pandam da SBI gi on campus educational loan da natna lupa lakh amaga listing nimpu scholarship su second semester dagi semester khuding maki phanghangani free year ticket na traga lupa listing nimpu banga gi relaxation gi damak ngasimag youth library club uripok polem laikai gi mayok na badalai ba corporate office ta lak piduna ngasimag contact tobiu hena kupamarol gidama contact tobiru 7005092567 amasung 9007778647 aikhoigi website www.247ununi.com
Saraswati Coaching Institute Chingmairong Khongnang Karak Imphal admission open class 11 science foundation course 2019 starting of class 15 July medical regular course for NEET UG 2020 starting of class 15 July NEET UG successful candidates for 2019 Sanalu Gangmai, Wardo Dilbung Lamkang, Muhammad Nashiruddin Sa, El Yohenba, Nima Naurem, Kate Stela Devi, Narosa Chabungbam, Chandan Larin Lakpam, Supriya RK, O Philip.
Welcome back. All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMSO has said that the statement made by one Ayub Khan, who claimed himself to be the General Secretary of AMSO in connection with Madrasa modernization has no any connection with the organization. General Secretary of the organization, Yunus Ali Khulakpam, said this during a press meet at AMSO head office, Hatta Imphal East today. He described the act an attempt to divide and block the organization. He also appealed that such unwanted acts should be avoided in future.
All Manipur Muslim Students Organization asibu kanaguma miyoi kambu kharana lanna uhanna ba lebak miyamda look asibu machetana thugaibagi mawong ama chatharakliba asi amsogi maikai degi yamna strongly condemn tawbagal loina na miyoi singadu na tawriba amasung changsaliba thabak thorom sing look machettabagi mawong asi tawbiganu Manipur Pangal singi sotharaga lehoraba akoigi Pangal community asigi satra khunai amasung samaj ki khalakanda miyoi singaduna wakal taminarakanda look asi kansi amasung Pangal mahiroi khunai asibu kannabagi damakta amatoina lingjel manana hanadagi chatharakliba hanadagi liglam chumna chaliba amsu asi maring marangna na lebang yamda uhanba si yamna angakpa amasung nungaitaba phongdokchari makhatana Hariba Thawong, Yamna Luza Draba Thawong asi Makata Nasumsa Rakpataragadi, Pangal Kunai Damakta Kalakanda, Satra Kunai si Kanabaki Damakta, Amsona, Akanba, Makoi Matakta, Lokot Peaba Action Sing, Lokan Abgi Damaktasu, Sam Saduna Lazare, have a pharmacy.
Young Girls Helping Association Yoga Thobal Mela Ground organized a tree plantation program at Lilong Tolenkun today. Club members of Lilong Development Club and locals planted several saplings during the event. President of All Meitei Pangal Students Union of Manipur, Rashid Khan, also took part in the program. A 4-day workshop on methods of teaching, question setting and evaluation organized by All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association Imphal, Manipur concluded at Standard Robot Higher Secondary, Kanchipur today. Altogether, 800 teachers, including teachers of aided schools, took part in the program. Secretary of All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association, Imphal, Manipur, CH Siamchan Singh said the workshop was conducted to explore new methods of teaching through updated syllabus. He further said it is utmost important to organize such an orientation program as it gives additional knowledge to both experienced and new teachers about the curriculum.
Senior persons, resource persons, retired persons, different colleges, lecturers, senior higher secondary school senior knowledge train
In the wake of Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy deciding to seek a trust vote, Assembly Speaker K.R. Ramesh Kumar today said a slot would be allotted whenever he opted for it. The Chief Minister said he would not cling to power amid the confusion and seek the trust of the House. An embattled Kumaraswamy today sought time from the Speaker to move the trust vote in the House in the wake of resignation by 16 MLAs. 13 from the Congress and 3 from the Janata Dal Secular. 2 independent MLAs also withdrawn support to the government and aligned with the BJP. The ruling coalition's total strength is 116. Out of that, Congress 78, JDS 37 and BSP 1, besides the Speaker. With the support of the 2 independents who Monday resigned from the ministry, the BJP has 107 MLAs in the 224-member House, where the halfway mark is 113. Just a week after insisting that he was absolutely moving forward, President Donald Trump has abandoned his effort to insert a citizenship question into next year's census. The president said it is essential to have a clear breakdown of the number of citizens and non-citizens that make up the U.S. population. The president said it is essential to have a clear breakdown of the number of citizens and non-citizens that make up the U.S. population. The decision was clearly a reversal after the Supreme Court blocked his effort by disputing his administration's rationale for demanding that census respondents declare whether or not they were citizens. Trump wanted to pursue that efforts, but the administration said that census deadlines made it impossible. Let's now have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Border Pillar 82 on border not shifted, claims 12 Assam rifles. 237 schools set for amalgamation. Anti-APSPA struggle recounted on that anniversary of Manorama. UCM demands boundary re-survey. The People's Chronicle. UCM demands resurvey of disputed border pillars. AR claims border pillar 82 position unchanged. Villagers disagree. Tata Institute engaged to develop National Sports University, says Rijiju to Dr. Ranjan. Rupees 25.32 lakh deposited to claim pending rise. JC hopes High Court order relieves wages. Imphal Free Press. Documents of illegal arms and ammunition kept at M sector destroyed by Major B.S. Rathore. Are some officers trying to frame Lieutenant Col Dharambir? Chief Minister condemns Hengzang killing, assures to name culprits. UCM demands resurvey of all disputed border pillars. Untimely distribution of rice for Kurai is caused by transport contractor, says Susindro. The Morning Bell. Kurai MLA. People storm Imphal East DC office demanding rise. Assam floods inundate over 700 villages, over 4 lakh people marooned. Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur observes 10th Foundation Day. Despite charged seats and trials, no justice till death. All Tribal Rights Protection Forum Manipur condemns appointment of non-tribal as Director of Tribal Affairs and Hills Department. Agri Minister visits community nurseries sites.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Village chief body calls indefinite chakaban in Chandal district over authorities' alleged failure to nab culprits in ex-village chief murder case. Floods displace over 4 lakhs in Assam, 13,267.74 hectares of crop area devastated. sand-laden truck falls through collapsed bridge at Sabongbong, Imphal East. No casualties. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.